thank you all for coming. I'm Susie Osterloh, publisher of St. Louis Homes and Lifestyle Magazine. And we're just thrilled to have Chef Rex here tonight from 360. So he's going to take over. But we also want to thank Otco Construction Appliance for hosting our event tonight.
Well, with that said, we'll get started on the first course. And with that, we're going to pour a Shannon Ridge Chardonnay that I'm going to have Nelson explain to you.
It's going to be a 2011 Chardonnay, 97% Chardonnay, and the other rest of the blend is going to be Sauvignon Blanc. It's aged 6 months in American oak, and it's California.
The key to this salad is the quality of the ingredients. Okay, as with this is a locally grown heirloom tomato, and the flavor of that will be incredible. Thank you all very much.
Thank you,
Rex.